Welcome on the Hard Reset Tricks channel, and in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. In this video I'm gonna show you 5 tricks you must try on this smartphone. Enjoy watching! So, as a trusted source in smartphone tutorials, I can tell you that I was working with this smartphone for a little while, and same as all of the major brands smartphones. And I can tell you the 5 tricks you should know about while using this smartphone. Let me go through the first one, and now you have to open the application you wish to use, for example, Google Chrome. Now close it and open the previous opened apps in the background. Now click on the icon that is on the top of this page, and you have 2 options here that you should be interested in. The first one is open in a split screen view or open in pop-up view. So let's start with a pop-up view. That opens your application in this small window. You can always change the size of it and use it in this way. That works for some situations. Of course, if you want to exit this screen, you have to drag it to this close icon. Now the second option is open in split screen view. Let's open it, and now you have the small window of your Google Chrome here, and you can open the second application you wish to use at the same time, for example, settings. I can use these both applications at the same time. I can change the size of 2 windows, or I can close it in a quick way by pressing the back button. That is a very useful option also if you want to multitask. Now for the next tricks, you have to open the settings and move to the advanced features. Now let's open the one-handed mode. This changed my life because imagine that I was walking with a dog and I have the leash in my one hand, and the other hand I was checking something on my smartphone. If you have a small hands like me, then it is a common problem to reach all of the corners of screen only by using a one hand. So one-handed mode comes to help you with such situations. If you're using the system navigation like me, the 3 buttons, then you have to turn on this mode and use this option here, button. Double tapping the home button opens the one-handed mode. If you're using the swipe gestures to navigate on your smartphone, then you will have to swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen to open one-handed mode. I'm using the 3 navigation keys, so now let me show you how it works. I double tapping the home button, and the one-handed mode is activated. What can I do here is change the size of this screen by, I don't know why. Oh, now it's work. So you have to drag the corner, and you can change the size of it. You can drag it to the top of your screen or to the bottom. You can tap on this arrow to change from the left to the right side. If you want to exit the one-handed mode, then you have to tap on an empty field like this. So yeah, that was the next trick. Now let me show you the trick that will change your whole smartphone, how it works. You have to get into the display settings and now move to the motion smoothness. Well, here we can change the refresh rate of our display. We have 2 options, the adaptive and standard. The standard one gives you up to 60 Hz, which is a very low amount. Adaptive gives you a refresh rate up to 120 Hz. This is a very good option. The amount of Hertz are also good. What it gives you, it gets smoother animations, and scrolling is generally better. You can see it on the preview here how it works. On the left there is no hangs or lags like in the standard option, so trust me, you will just use your smartphone in a best way if you activate the adaptive one. Remember that it uses more battery power, but if you have a low battery power like me right now, then your phone will detect it and little decrease the screen refreshing rate. So yeah, that was it. The next trick, you should definitely activate these two options. The accidental touch protection protects your phone from accidental touches when it's in a dark place such as a pocket or a bag. So if you did call someone in the past by mistake from a bag or pocket, then you know what I'm talking about. This super feature don't allow your smartphone to do it. So activate it. The touch sensitivity you can also activate if you use a screen protector. I'm not using the screen protector, so I'm not going to enable this option. But remember that it increases the touch sensitivity of the screen if you're using the screen protector, so it's worth to turn it on. Now let's move to the next features, and you can find it in security and privacy. The must-have for you is lock screen. We must secure our personal data stored on our smartphone. So these days we have all set up the screen lock for our devices. I recommend you using at least one of screen lock, but trust me, biometrics you should have definitely the face recognition and also fingerprints, and for additional way to protect your device, use at least one of these four features. For me, I would like to use a pattern, so I set pattern, and now I have to draw my own pattern. Click continue, draw it again to confirm my new pattern for this smartphone. Now I can change the notification style, decide if I want to show notifications on a lock screen or if I want to show alerting notifications only. Then I press done, and done. The screen lock is set up successfully. So yeah, that was a very important thing. Let's get back to the main page of the settings. And what's now? The device care option. You can check here the battery condition, the storage, the memory and protection of your applications. You should get into this and turn on the app protection, because it detects your device in case of some malware or viruses. Very good option. You should do it from time to time. Remember that the protection and security of your smartphone is the most important thing for all of us. So we wait after our device finish the scanning. It may take a little while. It's checking all of the features, the applications, options that you have on your smartphone. If it's good, we'll see that there is no threats detected, like this. So yeah, our smartphone is totally fine and in a good condition. So make sure that you get into the device care sometimes and perform this little operation. You can also get into the accessibility settings. I'm sorry, maybe it was here. No, it wasn't. So let me show you the other thing, and I'm talking about the edge panel. So this is the edge panel, and it is helpful for some people. I don't like this option at all. I like to use only my tap menu that gives me quick access to some features. I don't like this because I open this function by mistake sometimes. But if you like it, then you can customize it by pressing this pencil icon here. You can remove or add some tiles to this edge panel. And if you're done, you just need to get back to the previous page. Now you have to see this gear icon here. You can press it and it goes straight to the proper place in settings for edge panels. You can turn on or off completely this edge panel. You can set up the panel's dim. in a way you wish to use it. You can edit it, like I show you previously. You can change a handle from left to right, or you can lock handle position, change the style, transparency, size, and everything you wish for your edge panel. Now you can press here and show on main and cover screen, or you can show it only for main screen or only for cover screen. So make your choice, and then you can just get back to the home page if you are done. That was all of the tricks I wish to show you. I hope you like this. Leave a comment and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channels for next videos with special content from a lot of different smartphones and mobile devices. See you in the next video. Goodbye.